Let's be real, learning a new language can be exciting at first, but after a while, you hit a wall, motivation fades and you feel stuck. I've been there. So in this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful ways to stay motivated, even when language learning feels hard. So if you ever felt like giving up on your language goals, keep watching, because these tips will help you stay inspired, consistent, and actually enjoy the process again. Tip 1. Set tiny and fun goals. Instead of saying I want to be fluent, try this week I want to learn 10 cafe phrases, or watch one K-drama scene and repeat the lines. Tiny wins add up, and they feel way more fun and doable. Tip 2. Make it personal. Ask yourself why you are learning this language. To travel, to make friends, to watch K-dramas without the subtitles. Write that reason down and keep it somewhere visible. When you remember your why, it's easier to push through the hard days. Tip 3. Immerse yourself in things you love. Language isn't just textbooks. It's music, shows, memes, vlogs, recipes. Fill your life with content you actually enjoy, but in the language you are learning. You'll pick up new words without even trying. Tip 4. Find a language buddy or community. Whether it's a study buddy, a Discord group, or even someone on Hello Talk, having someone to share the journey with makes it less lonely and way more motivating. Plus you're staying accountable. Tip 5. Track your progress visually. Use a calendar, an app, a journal to track how often you study. Even if it's just 10 minutes, check it off. Seeing your streak grow builds momentum, and that momentum keeps you motivated. Learning a language takes time, but motivation comes with progress, not perfection. So celebrate the small wins. Keep it fun, and don't be afraid to try new methods when you feel stuck. So let me know in the comments what language you are learning right now, what keeps you motivated, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this with a fellow language learner. And I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye!
We wanna make you fall in